The influence of each member in the body. The body of Christ forms a unity. The health of the body of Christ, of which we are a part, concerns us all because, even if we are not aware of it, this unity between members exists. An injury to a finger is felt throughout the entire human body. In the same way, each member influences the whole body of Christ, and the general state of the body also affects each of its members. Any fault on my part is a loss, not only for me, but for everyone. On the other hand, a victory for our faith, a prayer in secret, a lesson learned with Jesus, or a service rendered to a believer are real benefits for the entire body. A Christian must not close themselves off. Such indifference toward others is unnatural. On the contrary, we should want to share the joys and sorrows of the other members of the body of Christ, as if they were our own joys or sorrows. This is a clear sign of deep and sincere Christian love. Beloved, let us love one another. For love is of God, and everyone who loves is born of God and knows God. 1 John 4:7. It is important for each member of the body to remain in a living and true relationship with Christ, the head, while maintaining close bonds with every believer. Then, the whole body will be able to progress harmoniously.